Hey guys, I have here my electric shaver, and in this video I want to explain to you how to sharpen the blades of these in less than 5 minutes. And that way we can save a lot of money instead of spending it on expensive replacement blades, which in the end often even don't work that well. So the only two items we're going to use in this video are, for one, toothpaste, and the second item is simple white vinegar. At first we're going to pour some of the vinegar into a small container. Next we're going to open up our shaver in order to remove the blades. In the case of this model by Philips, we just have to rotate this little blue ring here counterclockwise just a little bit in order to release it. And that should allow us to remove the two parts underneath. Since these parts are usually really dirty, the first thing we do now is to clean them in the vinegar. Please notice that I am removing only one of the blades at a time. I do this to prevent mixing up the different components underneath each other. Once the parts are somewhat clean, we're going to start reassembling them again. Only that before we put the blade back in, we're going to fill up this entire area with some toothpaste. And when we do this, we don't want to be shy with the toothpaste. We can actually fill this up all the way. At least make sure that there is some toothpaste all around the outside where the holes are. Okay, so now once we spread the toothpaste around, it's time to put in the blade as well. And then here, this retention clip. We're putting that back in, and then we're rotating it clockwise just a little bit in order for it to hold everything together. Now, of course, we're going to repeat the same process with the remaining two blades as well. And then I reassemble the entire shaver again so that it's basically functional again. So now you're going to see a little bit of the toothpaste already coming through here. And then all we have to do now is turn on the shaver, and then we're going to massage our hand with it like this here. So we're going to put some pressure on the blades. And with the help of the toothpaste, this is now going to actually sharpen our blades again. And now we're just going to do this for just a couple of minutes. So in my case, I usually do this for about 2 minutes and then I stop. And since we still have the toothpaste in there, now we have to open up the shaver again and we have to clean this out. So get all the wash all the toothpaste out. So either you can just hold it under running water, I guess, or if you want to be a little bit more thorough, then we disassemble everything again. And just like before, I'm going to make sure not to mix up the different components. I'm making sure that everything stays together. Yeah, and once everything is cleaned up under running water, we just have to put everything back together. Then it's already time to try it out. At least for me, this works really great, and the shaver is pretty much sharp, just as sharp as it was originally. And you don't really have any cost here, so this is really pretty much a free fix. And I hope you found this video helpful and it works for you as well. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.